Welcome you all to today's video, children. This is class 6 social science. Here the introduction of the lesson, the urban administration, chapter 7. Let's move with GK first. The famous Ganga Sagar Mela, an annual fair, is held in which state of India? It is held in West Bengal. Fair means festival. Who is considered the founder of the Sikh religion? Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh. Okay. So let's move on to today's topic. This is the emblem of Trichy City Corporation. Okay. Let us know the difference between rural society and urban first. Rural means village, urban means city. Okay. It is a small community size and in city it is a big. Okay. There are minimum number of houses in villages and maximum number of houses are there in city. Okay. In rural, agriculture is the main occupation. There are many occupations available in city. Okay. Labor intensive and manual work more prevalent, and services industry and technology assistance are there available in the cities. Okay. So rural means village, city means urban. Okay. They have close contact with nature in the village, rural. In city, they are isolated from the nature. Okay, more influenced by natural phenomenon. Example, rain, heat, drought. You can experience everything in the village, and in city you can experience the more pollution. Okay. So let's move on to today's topic. First, let us see what is municipal corporation. You know, in the village we have learnt Panch, Sarpanch and Secretary. They are called in the other way in city councillor, okay, and administrative officers. Okay. So the work of municipal corporation is, the main work is diseases do not break out in city, and they should hold schools, hospitals, dispensaries and gardens. Dispensaries means medicals. Okay, they should run them. And the big cities are called municipal corporation and the smaller towns are called municipal council. Okay, the maximum size, the big city is known as municipal corporation. Okay, and the smaller towns are known as municipal council. Okay, they are vary in sizes. Okay, in village we have ward member, but in city they have ward councillor. Ward councillor are elected by the people through voting. Okay, so he has to take the decisions like where the hospital should be and the school should be, the bus stop should be. Okay, and okay, this is the map of Trichy city with several wards. Okay, so the city is divided into several wards. The ward councillors are elected by the people, public, okay, through voting. Okay, in village we will select the ward members through voting, but in city they select the councillors. Okay, hope you do have understood, children. Okay, many members, many councillors join together and they make a committee. Okay, so this is called councillors committee. Okay, so they will make the complicated decisions. Okay, the councillor of the area will take a simple decisions like if the wire is broken in some area, they will contact the electricity board and make it right. Okay, but the councillor committee, they will decide the complicated decisions of the city. For example, the extension of the bus stand and marketplaces and the garbage maintenance, garbage management, water management and street lighting, where the garbage management area should be. Okay, so when a problem is within the ward, the councillor will take in charge and he will find any remedy for the problem. If the problem is big, it will be taken to the councillors committee. Okay, so the councillors committee decide and the commissioner and administrative staff will implement the plan. In village, Sarpanch and Panch with the public, they will decide something and it will be recorded by the secretary. But in city, the councillor committee will decide the big issue of the public, and the commissioner and the administrative staff will implement the plans. Okay, so in a municipal corporation, the elected members are called what? This is the question for you. In a municipal corporation, the elected members are called what? In village they are called ward members, but in municipal corporation whatever they called. Okay, so hope you have understood, children. Let us meet in another class with another topic. Until, be safe and be happy. Goodbye.